Welcome back to Product Critique, where your buying decisions meet honest, clear-cut reviews. Today, we're diving into a product that's quickly becoming a must-have in personal care. The 36PC's Callus Shaver for Feet Set. The best callus cutter you'll want to add to your grooming routine. This is not just another foot file. This is a complete, professional-grade callus shaver set that packs everything you need for smooth, sandal-ready feet. Inside the box, you get 36 carefully selected tools. There's one stainless steel foot file, a foot file head, 4 pedicure knives, and an impressive 30 replacement blades to keep things sharp and sanitary. Let's start with the star of the show, the stainless steel foot file. Durable, rust-resistant, and water-friendly, it's built to handle both dry and wet exfoliation. That means whether you're fresh out of the shower or doing a dry treatment, this tool's got you covered. The file feels surprisingly gentle but is tough on calluses, with a comfortable grip and a smooth finish on the handle and edges. It glides across rough skin effortlessly, minimizing effort and maximizing results. One of the standout features? The removable head design. Swapping blades or changing to the file head is a breeze. Just slide it out, snap in a fresh blade, and you're ready to go. No tools needed, no fuss, just smart, efficient design. Now, the pedicure knives included in this kit are for more precision-focused work. Think around the toes or those stubborn cracked areas. With smooth polished finishes and ergonomic shapes, they offer you the kind of control normally reserved for salon professionals. The versatility here is what makes this set such a game-changer. Whether you're dealing with dry patches, cracked heels, or just maintaining soft soles, this kit adapts to your needs. Cleaning is a breeze too. Thanks to the stainless steel build, all parts can be rinsed after use and stored without worry of rust or corrosion. A quick wipe and you're done. And this isn't just for one type of user. It's ideal for men, women, and elders who deal with tough foot skin. But a quick heads up. This is a professional-grade tool, so if you have thin or sensitive skin, use with caution. In terms of value, it's hard to beat. You get enough replacement blades to last you months, maybe even years, depending on how often you use it. It's a long-term investment in foot care that really pays off. So, if you've been dealing with thick calluses, hard heel skin, or just want a home pedicure setup that actually works, the 36PC's Callus Shaver for Feet set delivers, and then some. Reliable, safe, and thoughtfully designed, it earns its title as the best callus cutter on the market today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth reviews, and drop your questions in the comments below. Until next time, stay smooth, stay sharp.